Hi folks, so I just wanted to do a quick review of my book that I bought. I'd say it's been many years since I bought a book. I used to have a big collection of books at one time, fiction and non-fiction. My fiction books usually consisted of horror and sci-fi. But I also had lots of fictional books, sort of all sorts of kinds of, what do you call it? Things about space travel, things like things to do with the mind, sort of mapping the brain, consciousness, psychology. Lots of the sciences and stuff. I had all sorts of books like that. And of course, I also had some books on quantum physics as well. I had, what's his name? Stephen Hawkins. I had one of his, Brief History of Time. Because I like all that stuff, like I say. So, yeah, this is a really fascinating book, like I say. It's I don't pretend to understand all of it, but I do get some of it. Let me just see. It says in the introduction, it says quantum mechanics is the astonishing science of the micro world. It describes tiny particles like atoms and molecules that can perform logic-defying acrobatics, finding themselves in many places at the same time or spinning in two different directions at once. It's a dizzying story that pulls in everything from consciousness and parallel universes to free will and eternal life. And it offers us the only scientific lens we have for understanding what human beings fundamentally are. So, yeah, I mean, it's mind-blowing stuff, guys, it really is. And of course, nowadays now, they're not only experimenting with AI, but they're also experimenting with what they call quantum computers. There's only, I think Google's got one. Don't know about Elon Musk. I don't know if he's got one or not. But anyway, these quantum computers, they're still in their infancy, but they reckon maybe even within the next 10 years, we could have these quantum computers that can do limitless stuff. You know what I mean? It's just incredible. But it can also be frightening as well, because they reckon that these AI machines and these quantum computers could, kind of supersede us and take over. Maybe, who knows? But it's still fascinating nonetheless, but a little bit scary as well when you think about it. But anyway, so quantum physics, fascinating stuff. And like I say, quantum computers, man, they're just mind-blowing things. And like I say, I think Google's got one. I can't remember. It's got a name. I can't remember what it's called now off the top of my head. I have seen videos about it. They're supposed to be really powerful computers because they work on, like the same principles as an atom, whereas an atom can be in what they call a superposition, whereby it's both positive and negative at the same time, sort of thing. It can be in two positions at once, and instead of being ones and zeros, which all computers, even supercomputers, use, these quantum computers, because they can be both on and off at the same time, sort of thing, if you want to put it that way, or positive and negative at the same time, they can do things a hell of a lot faster. They reckon that what is it? And I can't. Like I say, I read stuff all the time and watch stuff all the time on YouTube and online and what have you. And sometimes I forget half of the stuff what I've read. But something like you ask an average supercomputer a particular question. I can't remember what the question would be now off the top of my head, but it would take it something like thousands of years to sort of come up with the answer or something. But you ask one of these quantum computers and it can do it in a matter of maybe seconds or minutes or whatever, you know what I mean? It's just... but anyway, yeah, they're really powerful apparently. And they're experimenting with them now. So, yeah, okay. Fascinating stuff, like I say, and it really blows my mind. But I really love it. I find it absolutely super fascinating. I really do. Right, okay, guys. So I'm going to leave it there. I just wanted a sort of a quick review of my book. Yeah, and actually, look, sorry, meant to mention, see how far I've got already? Yeah, that's 2 days of reading. Yeah, it's like it's so fascinating I can't put it down. I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, okay, so I'll leave it there and I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.